Hello and welcome into another shopping haul sharing what I bought recently. Up first is this plain black t-shirt that I bought from the warehouse. I also bought two plain white ones as well, but these aren't the best quality. They were only about $1 each, so they're kind of just more for putting on when you just want to kind of muck around and things like that. As we move into winter, it was time for me to get some more long sleeves, and I've had a few different long sleeves over the years from Illab, but they're getting a bit old and baggy now, especially since I've lost some weight as well, so it's time to replace them with some new ones. So I went to Postie and bought some new just basic long sleeves. First is this basic staple, just a basic white long sleeve. And then this one as well, which is just a really nice basic color. Next is this super soft cozy jumper that I got from Glassons. It's just a nice navy blue and white striped jumper that my nana bought me when she was in town. She also bought me the two long sleeves as well. Then yesterday I also did some shopping as well, and I picked up a few different things. First, I picked up a card from Wickles for my mum for Mother's Day. But then I picked up some other stuff for me from Postie. First up is this basic plain white t-shirt. I wanted to pick up a plain white t-shirt from Postie because I picked up the two plain white t-shirts from the warehouse when I got the black one, and they're not the best quality. They're in the wash right now, but I picked up the two white ones from the warehouse, and because they were only about $1 each, I thought it was probably best to get just a slightly better quality white one to wear when it's a bit warmer. I also did some shopping with my mum, and I got some brand new jeans from Just Jeans. I just got some nice dark wash denim jeans that are really soft. I needed some new jeans as we go into winter. These are a size 10, super soft, just really nice jeans, very similar to my other ones. I had ones that were a little bit lighter than this, but I didn't really like how they sat on me. They kind of were more of a scoop rather than just straight across, and I wanted high-waisted ones, so I picked up these ones. And there you go, that's everything I bought recently. I hope you enjoyed this little shopping haul. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell. That way you don't miss any future videos, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!